Today we're going to be looking at the cabin filter on this 2021 Silverado. It's the same thing for the Sierra and the Tahoe. The cabin filter is going to be located behind your glove box, and you're going to need to remove the door. To do that, your first step is going to be to disconnect the damper you have here. This dampens the door when it opens and closes. And all you have to do is pull the bottom part towards you, and you'll see that it disconnects here. Later on when you go to put it back, it just clicks right on. It's made to be serviceable, so go ahead and just disconnect that. Now you're going to need to get the glove box past the stoppers here. And all you're going to do is push the glove box inward, and it'll come right off like that on that side and on this side. Just pull this side in, push this one back in. You might fight it a little bit, but there you go. And once you get this far, the glove box will just come right off its hinge, so you can just pull it, remove it, put it down here. Now inside of here is where the cabin filter is going to live. It's going to live in this compartment right here, and this is designed so you could service it. All you got to do is push this tab in, okay? And once you have it in, the door will be loose right here, but then you're going to need to push the whole unit over that way, or the whole door over that way, and it will just unlock for you like that. And there's the filter. To get it out, just push your finger right in here, pull it right out. We'll take a look at this one. This one's in pretty good shape. Don't need a new one, but if you need a new one, there'll be a link down in the description box with the part number and everything that you're going to need to replace yours. But stick the new one or the current one back in, exactly how you took this one out, and replace the door. Ooh. Slide it back on there, and you'll be good to go.